thank you to the celebrities for coming here and supporting very new initiative. So very quickly, I'm going to tell you that that we're all here for a Romney Now event. Romney, as we know, is this amazing channel that was created with a lovely combination of romance and comedy. It's with the tagline basically being love and laughter, which has been shared over a period of 3 years now. We thought that we wanted to do something a little different. We wanted to give a little twist to the romance and comedy that our channel shares. Share and support animals, show your love and care towards them. And we have been extremely lucky that we've had Cat Cafe Studio and People for Animals support us in this endeavor, making this entire concept a complete hit. Taking forward from there, what we would like to do is, for that, I would like to call upon Sonal Khanduja, who's the Vice President of Content for the English Entertainment Classes, to say a couple of words.
Hi, good evening everyone. Thank you for being here on a busy Friday evening. And a very warm welcome to all our esteemed guests, Ms. Maria Goretti, Mr. Samran Singh, Ms. Zareen Khan and Ms. Richa Chadha. Thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting this initiative of Romney Now. And so like Yashoda here mentioned that this time, Valentine's Day is all about love and laughter. And at Romney Now, we thought of celebrating it with a difference by sharing our love with our furry friends and loving furry friends, and hence aptly called it Valentine's Day. We are really happy about our association with Cat Cafe and People for Animals, who are doing a brilliant job of rescuing animals, giving them shelter and finding a home for them. And we at Romney Now would like to do a bit. So every tweet that you send to Valentine's Day, hashtag Valentine's Day, Romney Now will make a donation towards animal welfare. So help us help our friends, our furry friends, find a loving home and love and care which they really deserve. Thank you so much.
So now very quickly we're going to show you all two videos. Please enjoy.
Thank you so much. Few weeks back when we were approached by Romney Now, we were shocked rather than being pleasantly surprised, because seldom do you really have brands, big brands like Romney Now, taking an initiative like this, of this caliber, of this capacity, and it's been absolutely delightful. The things we have worked with together, the kind of awareness we've been trying to create, it's been so wonderful. And I'm really, really thankful to all of you guys who have participated in this initiative. And I hope this continues, not just for Valentine's, but for many, many months and years to come, so we can save more and more strays together. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Now we're going to quickly have a very esteemed and what you think about the concept and the event.
I'll just speak from here. And we always like branded and imported things, and that's actually the same with pets. So I've always supported the initiative of don't buy, adopt, because our indigenous breeds of cats and dogs need homes. You know the conditions in which they live on the roads. They often don't have anything to eat. They multiply very rapidly. They don't have homes to stay at. Obviously, they don't use contraception. So, and it's a pain to collect them, to neuter them, or to gather funds for those activities. I've in the past worked with NGOs like World for All, like PETA, like WWF and Animals Matter to Me, and all of them advocate the same thing, that don't buy, adopt the pets that you have as strays, because they have a better immunity to survive in the conditions of India, and they need homes. And believe me, if you give an animal, a stray animal, a home, I've had rescues all my life as pets. Currently, I have a cat who's a Persian, who again was not bought. Somebody had a litter that they were getting rid of, so I took one of those. but they bring so much joy into your life and really teach you a great deal about love, unconditional love and responsibility. And that's why I welcome this initiative by Romedy Now, because as Vidhu pointed out, rarely do you find a brand as big as yours to come and associate with something that people are talking about almost all year round. And this initiative has been a success, as I can see from the turnout here. But in general, the concept of adopting in Bombay has really taken off, because as with the other NGOs, World for All, they used to have an adopt-a-thon maybe once a year, and now that has become something that happens at least thrice a year. So many animals find homes, so many people find pets. So I'm really in favor of it, and I think that I would very much like Quarantines to be a recurring feature, not just for this year but for every year. And I hope that this initiative is successful and many animals find a home. And what Cat Cafe is doing is actually quite remarkable, because when you buy a cup of coffee, you can have your coffee, but the money will be spent, a percentage of that will go to the benefit of cats. They had a rescue called Phoenix, who they found on the road, injured, and now he's happy in an adopted home with a new face and a new body, and that takes a lot of effort, because I've done this kind of work and I know how time consuming it is, and often you run out of resources. So this is a great way to spend your day of love.
Yeah, we can also, I mean, everyone will now, so Zareen, can you please say a couple of words?
Hi, good evening everyone. First of all, it gives me immense pleasure to be a part of such a great initiative by Romedy Now and Cat Cafe. I had heard about Cat Cafe a while back, and I was really impressed by the whole idea and by what the cafe is doing. And it's been long on my list to attend this way, but somehow something came up and I could never make it. And see, here I am today on this very amazing day, and very happy to be a part of this initiative. Well, as Richa said, we as Indians, or I don't know, are very fascinated by imported things and branded things and anything that is not Indian. I don't understand the whole concept about that. And that is the reason we go and we buy these exotic animals, and I don't know, the whole concept of buying somehow, it just makes you feel that you're not buying an animal to take care of it, but as a showpiece, as a showpiece for your house, just to make it look good and match with your house. No, that's not the idea of having a pet. Having a pet is having a life in your life, and that life is going to give you unconditional love no matter what. I mean, I have 10 cats. It was 11. One of my cats passed away last month. I have 10 cats, and it all started with me rescuing this one female cat that was run away by this one car on a rainy night near Oris. I was on a drive with my mom and me, and we managed to find that cat and get her home, and now she's made such a big family for me. I'm very happy because when you come back home after long days of work, yeah, you have your family and everything, but these are creatures, they don't know, they can't speak, they don't know, even if you've not treated them well, or you've just spoken to them in anger, they will still come back to you and they will still make you feel so loved. I mean, for me, they're my stress busters. And I keep seeing these videos on Facebook where I see people behaving so cruelly towards them during festivals, like they'll try bursting a cracker in a dog's mouth, and then there are videos of these people who are behaving so inhuman towards these animals. They don't understand that their lives too. They feel as much as we do, and they don't really have the capability to speak and make us feel what they are actually feeling. So we have to be all the more caring, all the more loving towards them, because they are the ones who provide us with unconditional love. So I am very happy that Romedy Now and Cat Cafe has taken this initiative. I hope a lot of people take part in this, and a lot of these strays get better living conditions, and we show more love and support towards them. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Richa, for being here today. Thank you for spending your valuable time with us. Yeah, I know you need to leave, so thank you for your time. Yeah, no, I was giving the speech, that's why
I'm silently, invisibly walking out.
Thank you so much, Richa. Thank you for coming. Thank you. So carrying forward, I would now like to hand over the mic to a very
petrified of dogs. And I have Ziggy, who's sitting out with my kids at the moment. He's my 4th canine. The first time I ever had a pup, I did not know what to do with her. She was Betty Boo and she lived with me for 9 years. I had a boxer who somebody hand the litter off, and they were 9, so they said, can you take one? And so I took Ninja. And Ninja lived with me for 9 years, and my boxer and my retriever mated, and I had Taz, who lived with me for 15 years. And in 2015, I had to put him to sleep after 15 years because he had a growth on him. And I think for me that was the single most painful thing I have ever done in my life, to actually let go of somebody that you really, really love with your whole heart, your whole soul, and the only reason you have to let him go is because you actually love him. And I learned so much from that experience, and I realized that I have a lot in my life that I have to be thankful to God for, and still my home was just terrible without a 4-legged animal. And so my kids and me adopted 3 cats who now live in our garden, and they scratch all the cars, and and they jump into my kitchen and they do this kind of crazy stuff. But now they're all part of the house, and I think I'm just richer to know animals the way they are, and I'm thankful that I have one of them in my life, and in a few days I'm getting him.
And finally, we have the Indian wrestler and reality show participant Sangram Singh to say a couple of words for us.
सबसे पहले नमस्ते सबको, क्योंकि मेरी इंग्लिश मोदी साहब की तरह है जितने अच्छे। तो वाकई ये रोमेडी नाव का और जो कैट कैफे का वाकई एक अच्छा इनिशिएटिव है। साथ में PFA, PFA का मतलब है पीपल फॉर एनिमल। वाकई हम सबको एनिमल्स के लिए होना चाहिए, क्योंकि जब मालिक ने हमें इंसान बनाया तो हमारा फ़र्ज है कि हमें हर चीज़ का ख्याल रखना चाहिए। अब मैं खुद रेसलिंग करता हूँ, अच्छा काफ़ी चीज़ें करता हूँ, उसके बाद मैं प्योर वेजिटेरियन हूँ, और मेरे पास 10 पेट्स हैं। 1 नहीं 10 पेट्स हैं, जिसमें से काफ़ी, और मैंने अभी एक इनिशिएटिव लिया था पहले सेव एंड अडोप्ट काउ का, जिसमें हमने कोशिश किया ऑलमोस्ट 1000 काउ को अडोप्ट करवाया। बाकी पेट थे, बाकी काफ़ी चीज़ें थी। तो मैं यही कहना चाहूँगा, जिस तरह हम अपने बच्चों का ख्याल रखते हैं उसी तरह हमें पेट का ख्याल रखना चाहिए, क्योंकि ये भी हमें प्यार बिना किसी कंडीशन के, बिना किसी शर्त के देते हैं। जब हम थके हुए हों या स्ट्रेस में हों तो अगर हम पेट के पास जाते हैं तो वाकई उनसे मिलकर खुश हो जाते हैं। और मैं आप सबको कहूँगा कि ज़िंदगी बहुत छोटी है, ज़िंदगी बहुत छोटी है, उसको मज़े से लो, मज़े से जियो। बिल्कुल, मैं कई बार कहता हूँ कि ज़िंदगी को ऐसे जीना चाहिए जैसे मान लो हम दूध गर्म कर रहे हैं। अगर दूध गर्म हो गया तो आराम से पिएंगे, और फट गया तो पनीर बना लेंगे यारो। तो टेंशन नहीं लेना चाहिए, और कोशिश करना चाहिए कि जो भी अच्छा काम हो जाए, जो भी अच्छा काम हो जाए हमारे थ्रू, वाकई ये करना चाहिए। और ये वाकई एक अच्छा इनिशिएटिव है रोमेडी नाव का, कैट कैफे का और PFA का, और जितना हो उसका आप सब सपोर्ट करो, और हम भी कोशिश करेंगे। वाकई हमें इनके साथ होना चाहिए, क्योंकि हम तो घर में रह सकते हैं, हम अपनी फीलिंग्स को जाहिर कर सकते हैं कि हम भूखे हैं, प्यासे हैं, क्या हैं, ये अपनी फीलिंग्स को नहीं बता सकते, तो हमें इन सबका ख्याल रखना चाहिए। थैंक यू।
To one and all, we're going to have a little celebration.
वैलेंटाइंस डे बहुत मना लिया, अब कुछ ऐसे लोगों को भी प्यार देना चाहिए जो प्यार हमारी तरह मांग नहीं सकते, यानी कि जानवर। आप देखते हैं सड़कों पे वो किस हाल में रहते हैं, कभी उन्हें चोट लगती है, कभी गाड़ी के नीचे आ जाते हैं, खाने को नहीं होता, घर नहीं होता। तो इसलिए मैं पूरी तरह मानती हूँ, मेरे हमेशा पेट्स अडॉप्टेड ही रहे हैं और उन्होंने मुझे बहुत खुशी दी है। जितनी खुशी मैंने उनको दी उससे कहीं ज़्यादा उन्होंने मुझे खुशी दी है, इतना मैं आपको बता सकती हूँ। बहुत प्यार से रहते हैं और सिर्फ इस वजह से नहीं क्योंकि वो हैं और उन्हें घर चाहिए कि हमें अडॉप्ट करना चाहिए, पर एक्चुअली जो हिंदुस्तान के जो यहाँ के कुत्ते बिल्ली जो यहाँ के जानवर है वो यहाँ के तापमान, यहाँ के हैबिटेट, यहाँ के खाने पीने से ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल रहते हैं, इसलिए हमें अडॉप्ट करना चाहिए।
मैम सोशल साइट में हमने बहुत देखा है कि एनिमल्स के ऊपर बहुत अत्याचार होता है, कैट्स डॉग्स उनके ऊपर बहुत अत्याचार होता है, तो उसके बारे में क्या कहेंगे?
मैं कहना चाहूँगी कि बहुत मतलब बुज़दिल लोग हैं जो जानवरों पे अत्याचार करते हैं, क्योंकि जानवर अपने आप को डिफेंड नहीं कर सकते। और वो अक्सर वैसे लोग हैं जो साइकोलॉजिकली बीमार होते हैं, जो जानवरों पे अत्याचार करते हैं, और वही लोग आगे जाके इंसानों पे भी अत्याचार करते हैं। अमेरिका में एक रूल पास हुआ है, जो CIA FBI है, वो पुलिस है, वो रिकॉर्ड रखती है उन लोगों का जो जानवरों के साथ अत्याचार करते हैं, कुत्ता बिल्ली, क्योंकि ये पाया गया है कि जो जानवरों के साथ बेदर्दी से अत्याचार करते हैं, उन पे पटाखे फोड़ते हैं या उनके शरीर का कुछ अंग काटते हैं, उन्हें अंधा करते हैं, इस तरह की चीज़ें, वो उनके दिल में कहीं वो ख़त्म हो जाता है प्यार किसी भी जीवित प्राणी के लिए, और वो आगे चल के वो लोग खून करते हैं, तो वो लिस्ट में आ जाते हैं। जी जी बहुत सारे हाँ, इस साल सबसे बड़ी जो फिल्म आएगी वो फ्रेंचाइज फिल्म है फुकरे, और मेरी एक इंटरनेशनल फिल्म भी है लव सोनिया, वो भी आएगी साल के मध्य में कभी, और मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ। उनके अलावा एक मेरी सीरीज़ आ रही है एक्सेल के साथ, उसका नाम है पावर प्ले, जो क्रिकेट के बिहाइंड द सीन्स पे है। हाँ, वुमेंस डे, अच्छा अच्छा वो बता दिया आपने मुझे। वुमेंस डे के लिए आई थिंक ख्याल कुछ नहीं, बस औरतों के प्रति जो दिन प्रतिदिन अत्याचार होता जा रहा है उसको रोकने की ज़रूरत है। हमने देखा बेंगलोर में क्या हुआ न्यू ईयर्स ईव पे, फिर हमने सुना ऐसे कई हमारे नेताओं की टिप्पणी उसके बारे में जो विक्टिम्स का ही विक्टिम्स पे आरोप लगा रहे थे। तो आई थिंक मानसिकता बदलने की बहुत अर्जेंट ज़रूरत है। थैंक यू एवरीबॉडी।
आपने क्या विचार अब प्रकट करना चाहिए?
मैं बहुत ही खुश हूँ यहाँ जाके इस इनिशिएटिव का हिस्सा बन के। आई थिंक रोमेडी नाउ और कैट कैफ़े ने बहुत ही अच्छा इनिशिएटिव लिया है वैलेंटाइंस डे का, क्योंकि आई थिंक आजकल जिस तरीके से लाइफ चल रही है सबकी, वैलेंटाइंस डे सेलिब्रेट, इंसानों के साथ वैलेंटाइंस डे सेलिब्रेट करने से अच्छा है कि आप इन जानवरों के साथ वैलेंटाइन सेलिब्रेट करो। कम से कम आपको अनकंडीशनल लव तो मिल जाएगा इन रिटर्न। एंड आई थिंक इट्स अ ग्रेट इनिशिएटिव, क्योंकि मोर एंड मोर पीपल को आगे आना चाहिए एंड दे शुड अंडरस्टैंड कि जिस तरीके से इंसानों को फील होता है, जानवरों को भी फील होता है, जानवर भी, उनके पास भी ज़िंदगी है और देयर लाइफ इज़ एज इम्पॉर्टेंट एज आवर लाइफ। ऐसे नहीं है कि जस्ट बिकॉज दे आर एनिमल्स जस्ट इग्नोर देम एंड ट्रीट देम बैडली, बिकॉज आई कीप सेइंग सो मेनी वीडियोस ऑन सोशल मीडिया जहाँ पे एनिमल्स के साथ क्रूल्टी की जा रही है। दिवाली के टाइम पे कुत्तों के मुंह में पटाखे जला रहे हैं, एंड आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड द होल आइडिया कि भाई कर क्यों रहे हैं ऐसा। उनकी भी जान है, उनको भी तकलीफ होती है। सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी कि ये कैट कैफ़े स्टूडियो और रोमेडी नाउ साथ में मिलकर ये अवेयरनेस दे रहे हैं कि प्लीज़ गिव एज मच लव एज यू कैन टू द एनिमल्स, help and support in every manner that you can. छोटी सी छोटी चीज़ भी काम आती है, and what you get in return is unconditional love. Unlike humans, they're not going to leave you and go.
I mean, in real life, how much you believe in adopting instead of buying the dogs?
Dogs, cats, whatever, I strongly believe in adopting, क्योंकि buying is somewhere जैसे हो जाता है ना कि आपने एक ख़रीद लिया है ताकि आपकी घर की शोभा बढ़ा दे, मैच हो जाए आपके घर के साथ। Because animals are not show pieces, they have to be treated as a life. And मेरे खुद के पास 10 cats हैं, जो मैंने एक cat को rescue किया था almost I think 2011 में. So now she's given me a big cat family and I have 10 cats now. It was 11, एक last महीने pass out हो गया. But I think और it's just, I don't know how to express this. I mean, when they become a part of your family, when they become a part of your life, they can give you so much love कि वो एक family member के जैसे हो जाते हैं. And when you come back from, what is so funny? What is so funny?
Saying framing is not good.
Okay, so I think you all should do that before rather than do it when somebody is talking, right? I think it's a great initiative. Thank you so much for this.